I'm so excited. My accent practice sessions is live. So if you're a person that wants to learn accents, it's so fantastic. I know I made it, but it is amazing. So for $10 US or about £7.50 UK, you get to learn 4 accents per month. So every week you get to do one American, one British, and then either Scottish or Irish or another accent, Cockney, Devonshire. Like there's just loads of different accents. So basically it's just 2 new accents every month, and then American and British, because of course I've got people in America that wants to learn British, and I've got people in England that wants to learn American. Do you know what I mean? So the link is in my bio. Honestly, just go check it out. Just go and have a look. Just do 1 month, and if you hate it, then go. But you ain't going to hate it because it's brilliant, and you get to self-tape every week. So, like when you're doing the course, you basically get one script. You get the same script for an entire month, so you don't have to think about the words. That's the great part. And then you get to learn 4 different accents in that month. Go to the link in my bio. It is fantastic.